How did you find the chili garlic shrimps? Was it good? Did you like it? Do you want some more? So today we are cooking again. We are cooking broccoli with scallops and squid. Adobong Pusit. Start with the broccoli with scallops. I already defrosted everything, and I'll be using frozen broccoli because this was what was available the last time, and then scallops that are also ready to cook.
What do you call that? The shell?
Sometimes I get even lazier and I do not buy fresh garlic, but instead I buy these minced garlic. And this is what I use for sauteing whatever I'm cooking. Okay, so now I'm going to start with heating the pan. Putting some olive oil. And then since everything is pretty much prepared, I would just like to rinse them. Since I have so much scallops and just a half a pack of broccoli, I think I'll be adding some mushrooms. Okay, now that it's hot, I'll be adding in the scallops, all of it. And the mushroom. And the minced garlic. And some salt. And then mix it up a bit. Let me show you. There. Okay, stay here. And since I sort of changed my mind on where the direction of this meal is going, remember earlier I put in olive oil, now I'm putting in some sesame oil instead. Okay. And then I'm adding in the broccoli. And some pepper. Ooh, smells good. Look. Okay, so I will just wait for the water to evaporate just a bit and then it's done. And while waiting for that, I will be preparing the squid. So since I am the lazy cookster, I plan on using the same pan for the squid. So I did this first because it doesn't have a strong taste or flavor. So it's okay for me to use this again without rinsing for my Adobong Pusit. And here is the squid. So first, I will have to clean it. Let me show you how to clean a squid. Okay, so this is already just the sauce is already dry and we are good. This is good and done. Yo. There. So I'm already done cleaning up the squid, and then this is everything I got out of it, like smaller fishes, the plastic, the ink sac, and other foreign objects. So now we are cooking the,
Adobong Pusit.
well, one version of it. Okay, again, heat the pan, put in some oil. And then for this one, I'm going to also be using tomatoes to saute it. Now I'll be slicing the tomatoes. I mentioned like this is just one version of it because yeah, I don't cook with any specific recipes. Like I really cook with what I have here at home. I try to make do with the ingredients I have and what will work to replace certain ingredients that I don't have. Okay. It's almost hot, not yet that hot. Ooh, look at this. I'm so excited to have dinner. Yep. I'll put this here. If you notice, I have different colors of chopping boards. Like this is blue, and then this one is green. Like it's color-coded. Like I use the blue for the fish, the green for veggies, orange for fruits, and so on. Because I don't want to contaminate each ingredient or kind of ingredient with another's flavor. Like, don't you hate it?
When you eat chopped apple and then it tastes like garlic.
Isn't that bad? Okay, now so we're ready to drop this in. And then we just wait for it to get softer until we can mash it. It's better to use overripe tomatoes for sauteing. Yeah. Stay here. And I'll be adding in the squid. And the garlic. Then mix. Usually, after putting in the oil, when you saute, garlic comes first. But since I'm using minced garlic, I put in the meat first before the garlic so that the garlic will attach itself to the meat or veggies or other main ingredients in the dish. Okay, so when it's already half cooked, this is when I'll be putting in the major ingredient that brings all the flavor out. It's this. And then some pepper. Mix it a bit. And then put in some water. Smells good. So some quick tips on cooking this. Do not overcook the squid so that it won't get tough. I usually really use
The small.
to medium sizes for doing this, but since my husband brought in that mystery box, I was surprised to have huge pieces of squid. And I only really like eating adobong pusit the way I make it. That's it. I don't know why I call it adobo when it doesn't have vinegar or soy sauce, but that's the way it is. It's almost done. Give it maybe like 2-3 minutes. This is how it looks like when it's already done. Let's turn it off. Yum. done. Yummy. Dinner is served. There. Ooh. Oh wow, I have smoke effects, like there's dry ice underneath, but it's really the stuff I cooked. So if you haven't yet, do subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notifications bell button to know every time I upload a new video, which is every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let's eat! See you again next time. Bye!